Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Tap Ringtone. Choose the SIM that you would like to change the ringtone of if you have multiple SIMs. Then choose one of the ringtones. If you have a song downloaded on your phone that you would like to use rather than the default ringtones, then you can tap the plus button in the top right corner. You can now choose a song from your tracks, albums, artists, or folders. Tap the song to select it and then tap Done. That song will now be in your ringtones under the Custom heading. You can tap it to select it. You can also remove it from your ringtones by tapping the minus to the right of the song when it is not selected. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.